happening. Hi, Diana. How you doing? Facebook Live. So Diana is my vocal coach, just letting you know, everybody. But she's also like a longtime friend of mine as well. I mean, I have to thank her for teaching me an amazing. It's called vocal science. You know, when I came to Diana, I had learned from classical singing teachers, and I was destroying my voice. I was getting hurt, but they were saying, "Oh, you did it right," which was it wasn't. And then Diana noticed that I was getting hurt here, and then she was showing me ways of actually how to like really sing. Her method is it's so unique. It's almost like Bruce Lee of Jeet Kune Do, looking at what works in martial arts and what doesn't, you know. And it's the same thing with singing as well. Diana got me to change my habits, and it was like a full 180 to the point where I can actually sing probably a whole week straight without destroying my voice, you know. And I owe it everything to Diana on that. But it's not just about music that I talk about with Diana as well. Diana and I, when we get a chance, you know, to get together, we'll do bubble tea or Korean barbecue or Japanese buffet. You know, we do all sorts of things as well. But we're so busy these days and so forth. But Diana's what you call it, she is the originator of vocal science. It's a honor to have her here too as well. And I've been very blessed to have Diana in my life. She even tried to actually, you see, I have a lot of friends, but Diana was one of those few friends who tried to stay in touch with me when my girlfriend passed away. And you know, I didn't know how to handle the death of my girlfriend back then. This is before Shirel, by the way. And Diana was doing everything in her power to keep me positive, right? It's not easy helping a friend who's going through emotional times, but the most caring friends in the world and in this universe are the ones who are going to do whatever they can to keep you positive. You know, like even when you're going through a really, really, really tough time. You know, and Diana was one of those people. And she's not just the person who helped me, you know, like become like the singer that I'm a musician, an artist and so forth. But she gave me not just a hope, but she helped me realize my dream of being able to sing the songs that I write and so forth. And because of her, I'm able to sing in Las Vegas, you know, and so forth, in front of tens and thousands of people, you know, and so forth. So Diana is one of my friends who are the dream makers. And by the way, if you are going to have friends, a circle of friends, be around friends who want to see you go to the top. Diana is one of those friends. You know, she is one of those positive friends that's, you know, like as you got to have a dream, and she will see that dream in you if you're hungry, you know. And she makes a great coach. She's an awesome coach as well. If you have a dream of becoming a great singer, you know, Diana is the real deal, because she will see it. She will see everything inside you. She can see things that the majority of vocal coaches on this planet Earth cannot see or hear. You know, I keep going off track, but anyway, I love to promote my friends, you know, and so forth. But I want to tell you all, if you have a dream to sing, okay, and you've never sung before, or you've been hurting your voice from the classical method, I don't recommend the classical method anymore, because it's not a one size fit all. I highly recommend the vocal science method, and Diana is the founder and the originator of it. And because of her technique, I'm able to bring, it's not just about having power, okay? She brought out something in me that I could not figure out, and now it's there, right? And I can sing for years and so forth. Now, as we age, maybe our range may change, maybe not. I don't know. I mean, I still have my range. I mean, I find that it's gone higher as well, but I'm doing it with her technique, right? And if you get a chance, I'll go to vocalscience.com. It'll explain everything there. I can't give all of you a university education on this sort of thing. let the website explain everything to you. And if you are serious, and I mean serious, like look into taking vocal science. I highly recommend it, but at the same time, be a serious person. I like to recommend really serious, positive people to my friends whenever they want to learn something or they need business. I don't like referring people who are going to waste my friends' time, because business is business, and time is very short. If you really want to learn to sing, and if you really are serious, I recommend it. But if you're not going to be serious, please don't waste my friends' time. For example, I have friends who are in the who are realtors, right? And if I refer a person to my realtor friends and then they waste their time, it's a bad referral, right? So forth. So I highly recommend going to vocal science if you want to be a really, really amazing singer, or at least to the point where whatever is your potential, right? And believe in the people that I refer you to. Like I like to refer really good, high quality people to vocal science, to Diana. Because Diana is the real deal, but it's not because of the vocal science. Diana's my friend, okay? If you're going to learn from her, please, if anything, or if you're going to take business from my friends as well, be really serious, all right? And if you're going to, if people are going to work with me, they cannot waste my time, and I never waste my friends' times as well. Even my tax consultant friends and Whitby as well. I don't refer just about anybody to them. I refer serious people to my friends as well. So we're going back to what I was talking about. By the way, if you do want to go to vocal science, like I said, go to vocalscience.com. If you want to ask me about it, I am I'm a living testimonial. Diana is the real deal, and so forth. And be a serious student. Like when the student is ready, the teacher will appear, right? We're living in times where people are just not too serious, and they're wasting everybody's time. So invest, right? Be an investor into your